steam nozzles. So before we do that, let's have a small introduction about this.
So hi everyone, this is Mohammed Adil, a second year mechanical engineering student. So and my teammates are Karthik VS, Ashik F and Mahesh and Daniel. So here we are going to present a case study on steam nozzle. So it's further clearly explained by our teammates.
So, hello, my name is Daniel. Now I am going to explain about the real-time scenario and the need of the case study on the steam nozzles. So, to increase the efficiency of a thermal power plant, one of the most easily obtainable way is increasing the velocity of the steam power into the turbine. So, how to increase the velocity of the steam? It can only be increased by either increasing the temperature or increasing the pressure. So, increasing the temperature ultimately increases the fuel consumption, and the efficiency is becoming the change in efficiency is still remaining at the null. So increasing the velocity is another way we can increase the efficiency of the thermal power plant.
So what that normally in the thermal plant which is working as efficiency low,
Yes.
you want to increase the efficiency. So temperature also like to increase the efficiency.
But if you increase the temperature, the fuel consumption is so no efficiency.
So what type of fluid is used in this thermal power plant? Steam is mainly used. What type of the steams are available?
Rice
Wet steam and then superheater. Mainly we are using superheater. So normally in a thermal power plant, if there is no nozzle, what about the efficiency difference?
Pressure decreases and velocity increases.
You are going to decrease the pressure and you have to increase the velocity. So what device you are going to use for this? We are using nozzles. So when you are using steam nozzle, where it is used, in which place, and how this steam nozzle is helpful to
The
increase
place
the
where the steam is coming out of the boiler and entering the turbine. So that
Yeah.
pathway is entering the steam.
We are going to install the steam nozzle in the pathway of the boiler to the turbine. So you are going to install the steam nozzle. So what is the effect of the steam nozzle?
So there also increases the efficiency and it is simply designed, sir. And electric production is used in many industrial applications.
So basically the steam nozzle, there are three types of steam nozzles: convergent, divergent, and convergent-divergent nozzles. In convergent nozzles, you can see that the area has been decreased there. And in the divergent nozzles, the area will be increased in the nozzle. And we have the convergent-divergent nozzle, that is an important nozzle that we are using in the turbine, because that particular nozzle will increase the velocity of the steam outcome, where the turbine will be moving faster from that convergent-divergent nozzle.
So you are telling that you are increasing the nozzle. So your idea is correct that so normally if there is a nozzle, it will be functioning, but the efficiency will be low. When you are introducing a nozzle, the velocity will be increased. Therefore, the output will become more. So can we add the number of nozzles to increase more efficiency?
So certain capacity of tank only we can add a nozzle.
So
One tank.
is also the steam is getting splitted, sir. So steam is only combined is also the same volume of steam. If it is divergent, it is separated.
No, what you are doing is what I am asking is so when steam is first going to a set of blades, so its expansion process takes place. So what happens is velocity decreases. If you want to increase the velocity, you are introducing a nozzle. So again it's going to another set of moving blades. So there will be many set of moving blades. So number of nozzles has to be increased. So your concept can be made by increasing the number of nozzles. The number of nozzles when it's increased, what happens? The velocity is increased. So therefore the efficiency will be increased more and more. So this is our case study. So what you are concluding is that if you are using nozzles,
This is single measure of efficiency in the power of the thermal power plants. So we are spending certain energy to get a certain output, sir. So with increase in the velocity, the certain energy can be converted into more output, sir.
So you are finally we are concluding that nozzles play a very important role in the thermal power plants and in another many places which plays the important role in.
Use fluids for energy production. We can use the nozzles. We can use the nozzles in hydropower plants also, sir.
And also we are using in our IC engines to increase the efficiency. That is not the fuel is sprayed. So where we are using nozzles, I've seen many places, but in thermal power plants we are using as a steam to increase velocity of the steam. Okay. So let us conclude the case study that nozzles play a very important role in increasing the efficiency. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.